It's that time that we get to decorate my kitchen. And I was gonna keep everything clean and everything before we even started, but I wanted you guys to see how it looks before we start decorating it. So let me turn you guys around and show you guys how it looks. Everything up here, there's obviously things that doesn't belong here. I have to wipe it down and everything, but I wanted to show you guys the before. I'm gonna remove that. Look, Adam drew it at class. He's so cute. Look at Daniel when he was little. So then this is how everything kind of looks. Adam was helping me make egg and he cracked a whole one on the stove. So, I gotta wash the pots. Those are clean. I'm gonna put those away, wash those. Put all of these back where they belong. And yeah, so that's the first task I'm gonna do off camera. So when I come back, everything will be cleaned and I'll have everything like off of the table. Okay, so I just went ahead, I deep cleaned everything, all of my cabinets, the top, everything. So there's nothing there except my microwave. I just put it to that side because that's where it belongs. And then those are all clean, the things that I got from Dollar Tree, which you guys should go see that haul. And then yeah, and then here is everything that we're gonna do today. And then there's Evelyn, so she's gonna hang out with us too. I'm gonna put you guys on my ring light so then we could do this section first. done, and I'm gonna give you guys a little walkthrough. So on this side, there's like scary claws right there. At the top is like the 3 little plaques. A skeleton right there. And then for my kitchen table, I just did this. And just kind of stick some little skeletons there with the little candles. I haven't lit it yet, but yeah. So, and then, you know, look at the bottom. Something quick and easy. And then right here is like little, what are those called? Pumpkin skeleton? I mean, pumpkin ghost. There you go. First of all, look. I'm going to show you guys what that is at the end. So here I didn't do that much. I just got the little spoon holder, a vase with some flowers, my some herbs that I dried from my garden, our paper towel, and our pot holder, and our mittens. And this, like, I put like a little battery in the back, so then it lights up, which is cool. So at nighttime, I'm gonna give you guys like a video how it looks when it's like dark. And then we've got our 2 decorations. Okay, we don't use this for our hands. On top of that, I just put like a trick-or-treat plaque. And then this side is so cute. I don't know, I love it. So we've got our oil and our vinegar little canister thing. I love it. And then, so originally these cups were supposed to go here, but it didn't fit, so that's where it's gonna stay. We've got a skeleton, and then look how cute the these rub-on transfer stickers came out. Like, yeah, they had a whole bunch of different ones at Dollar Tree. And then here we just put our pumpkins. I know this is supposed to have like a tea light on it, but I'm gonna just keep it like that just for decorations. Here are my coffee, tea, and sugar. Next to that is another vase with some black and purple flowers. Up there, I put a little, that skeleton bat with some of the spider webs, the beware, the little get out stickers. And then this is my sink area. Don't mind that. Yeah, I was gonna put this in like another little container like that, but I'm gonna just keep it in that because this is hand sanitizer. And then we've got a pumpkin with another little skeleton and a vase. And then over here it says keep out. And then I love the top. Like, look at this. This is so cute. I love these little see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil thing going on. I love it. And that's it for this decorate with me. But okay, so this remote controls the lights that are underneath my cabinets. And I'm gonna shut the ring light off so then you guys could see. And then it just looks like this. And then we're gonna turn all of it on. And it turns all of them on. And let's do, I gotta shut the light off so you guys could see. So that's how it looks. And then I could change all of the colors. And I got this from Amazon, and I'm gonna leave the link if you guys want to go check it out. There's like all of the colors on the rainbow are here. So look at this. That's red. And then there's blue. But since it's kind of Halloween-y, we're gonna leave it. Do they have orange? Orange kind of sucks, but look. You know, I like this one. So, where's purple? There you go. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me decorate for Halloween. And Evelyn is talking, so I gotta go. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you are new. And the next video, I'm not sure what it's gonna be, but stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys in my next video.